Hello, welcome. I'm really excited to have you here. If you're a business owner tired of ad that don't convert, a digital marketer with low lead and ad restriction, or you just want to learn a skill that can pay you working with clients, stay with me. This video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can 5 times your sales in the next 30 days with a platform that is sitting right in front of billions of buying customers every day. Why most marketers keep ignoring it? So don't skip ahead. Watch this to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can get started with it yourself. Okay, before we proceed, my name is Mustafa Mukhtar. I'm a Google Ads specialist. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can 5 times your sales in the next 30 days using Google and YouTube advertising. Let me guess why you are really watching this. You are tired of going weeks without sales. You are tired of losing money to fake ad gurus who does not deliver the results you are looking for. You are tired of running your last money on an ad that gave you nothing back. You are tired of setting up your own ad and it just didn't work. You are the type looking for a skill that can actually pay you. You want to scale up and finally get consistent sales, not one good month followed by three dry one. If any of that sound like you, I want you to know it's not your fault. Nobody showed you the right way. That's exactly why I want to step in and lift that burden off you. Only if you let me. So here is what I bring you into. It's called Google Mastery Training. This is the exactly system I stand behind and personally guide my students through. A fully stacked copy and paste mentorship where you will be walked through step by step exactly how you can run high profitable exactly how you can run high profitable Google and YouTube ad until your client and prospect are the one begging you to pay. Of course, because your real customer are on Google. They are not like other social media ads where people go there to just be entertained. But on Google, people go on Google to search what they need for, to search for their problem. By the time they are searching for their problem, your ad show up to them and was they opt in into your ad and was you close them. That's all what this training will be what teaching you about how you can get with customer from Google, not the time waster. Okay, let's continue. And here is the sweetest part. This is the simplest training out there. You don't need experience. Just follow the step. Before I show you what is inside this training, let me explain why this works and because let me explain why this works because if you don't get this part, nothing else will make sense to you at all. Google Ad, what is Google Ad? Let me briefly explain what Google Ad means if you don't know, if you don't have any idea of it. Google Ad puts your business in front of people at the exact moment they are searching for what you offer. There are sometimes where maybe you go to Google and search for something. Some website pop-ups, you will see sponsor ad. Those are what are Google ad because you search exact word. Those ads are what after that exact word. By the time you opt in and you see that the offer is good for you, you immediately buy the offer or the product. That is why Google ad is the one of the best advertising is one of the best advertising platform out there. And on Google search, YouTube and millions of partner sites, not only on Google search and YouTube too. When at the time you are watching YouTube, you see some ads that they will pop ups, they will pop up. Those ads are what are called YouTube ads. And there are sometimes you go to Google and you go to YouTube and search, you go to your search bar, you search some certain keyword and it will bring you the video you want to watch and uh, not only the video, it will also bring some ad. Those ad are what are also Google ad. Instead of person who might want your product, you show up in front of people already typing what can I buy, watching a video about the exact problem you solve. Assuming I go to YouTube and I search how to design a website and you add purpose and say that and tell me that learn how to design a website in 2 minutes. Obviously, I'll click on that ad and will say that how. how can I do this? By the time I opt into that ad and I see that that offer is what is good enough for me, and I can go ahead with the what subscription or purchase, I'll just go ahead with it. That's what Google ad is all about. I hope you understand. Okay, here is the reason why Google ad is different from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ad, or any other social media ad. The first reason is that it's intent, not interruption. Have you ever in need of something, or you are searching for a problem and go to Facebook or Instagram and search how to do this or do that? No. The only two platforms you go is either you go on Google or you go on YouTube. That is why your previous customer are on Google and YouTube ad. The second one is sharper targeting. You target the exact word someone type when they are ready to buy. Yes, I go on Google and I type a phone. Maybe I want to buy that phone. I want to make an inquiry on that phone. By the time I type that phone, some ad pop-ups and I see that, oh wow, I see the price. I see that this offer is good and I can buy that. I just buy that product. One of the one of the benefits benefit of Google ad over other social media ad. Unlike Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, where you only target interest, what the post people engage with, that is what you target for Facebook. But in or for all those social media ads. But in Google ads, you target you target the exact key, the website this person engage with, the app it will engage with. Because let me tell you one secret about this Google ad. There's no a day, a single day you can't go without using your Gmail. And your Gmail is connected with your Google normal. And every activity you are doing every day, your Gmail have the what your information, your details, all the website you are visiting, all the keyword you are searching, all everything. Okay, unlike Facebook, where you only go to there to entertain yourself, engage with posts. Or Facebook only have the information, your details only on what you do on Facebook on their platform. But Google, it have all your daily activities, the app you go, the website you go, everything you do. With that you'll be able, with Google ad you'll be able to target your real customers, unlike Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. Okay, number three, less competition. Most small businesses and marketers still ignore this platform, meaning cheaper clicks. Yes, because if you go on Facebook, by the time I'm scrolling on my Facebook or my TikTok, by the time especially my Facebook, by the time I scroll through like three to four posts, I will see an ad, because their work is high competitive, unlike Google and YouTube ad. And the fourth one is YouTube, which, yes, the second YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, built right in. Okay, that is the traffic source I mentioned at the start, and this is exactly what this training teaches you step by step without what missing any part. Before we continue, let's have a quick talk on what you'll be getting at the end of this video, what you'll be getting in this training. Okay, let's go. Okay, by the end of this video, this is all what you'll be getting in Google Ad Mastery training. As you can see on my dashboard, this is the student dashboard. This training is divided into the basic section and what the advanced section. As you can see, this basic section we have from module 1 to what module 13. This training is not about just 2 hours crash course. Is what is a full training, step by step, day by day training, where it will take you from beginner to expert. Only from this basic section, if you study it and follow it step by step, you already become a Google Ad expert. You learning more on this advanced section is by just advancing your skills. Let's take a tour of the module one by one so that you can see what you will be gaining after this video. In module one, there's introduction. It's the first video you must watch first. It's just explaining how this training and all what you need to know. The second training under the first module is you to join the community. There is a community where you meet other business owners like yours or digital marketer like yours, where you can collaborate with, you can mingle with and ask questions from there and ask for their experience. Not only that, you will also be getting tools and materials used in this training, all the tools and materials, which means that you are not on your own. You'll be getting the tools and materials you will be needing throughout your Google Ad training, Google Ad journey, I mean. Okay, let's move to module 2, Introduction to Google Ad. You learn the definition, the full definition of Google Ad, all the terminology you need to know as a Google Ad specialist, the overview Google Ad platform, the overview, the interface of Google Ad platform will be shown how you can navigate through the interface. Benefit of using Google Ad for your business. You get to know why Google Ad is best for your business. Okay, let's move to module 3. Setting up your Google Ad account. Yes, this is the first important part in this training, because before you run your ad, you need to set up your ad account. So in this video, we'll be teaching how you set up your Google Ad account from scratch without making any mistake. Setting up your payment account, your payment method, you teach how you can do so, and the mistake you should avoid. Understanding the Google Ad interface. Okay, let's move to module 4. In module 4, we have setting up Google Ad version 2 years. There are two ways for you to create your Google Ad account, setting up your Google Ad account, I mean. You will learn both methods: navigating and layout of Google Ad dashboard, the explanation of different campaign types, the search campaign, the display campaign, the video campaign, and the shopping campaign. You get to know the definition, how they work, and you get to know which one works best for your business. Okay, let's move on. Landing page, domain and hosting purchase. In Google Ad, unlike Facebook or other ads, in Google Ads, it is compulsory for you to have a website. Okay, but in this video, we'll just be teaching you how you can get your domain and hosting for the cheapest price and without making any mistake. Script for optimized landing page design tutorial. This is like almost 2 hours, 2 hours in video tutorial. You learn how to design landing page from scratch. So you don't have to worry that I don't know how to create the landing page. Then I need a website designer to help to create it. No, there's no need to waste any money. You'll be teach how to design landing page from scratch. Okay, let's move to module 5. We have performance tracking and conversion tracking. Yes, this is essential in your what your Google ad. You will learn how to can track every activity on your ad. Set off conversion action in Google Analytics. You get to know that. Systeming conversion tracking. Okay, as I said earlier that you'll be needing a website to run your Google ad. But I don't mean you don't have the money to purchase your website. You don't need to worry. You got your back. In this video, you'll be teach how you can create your landing page using systemi.io, and it is free. It's totally free. Not only that, you'll be getting a template, a ready-made template that you don't need to create it from scratch. You just use it. You just replace some words, some images, your videos, or your script to the script to yours. And lastly, you'll be teaching the conversion tracking, how you can track your conversion on systemi.io without having a website. Okay, let's move to module 6. Module 6, this is where the work starts. The keyword research targeting. Earlier, I'm explaining that in this Google Ad, you don't need interest, any nothing like interest. You are only targeting keyword. But how can you know the exact keyword your key customer are buying? You get to know all that in this video training. Using Google Keyword Planner and other tools for keywords, you get to know that. Adding keyword exposure. Module 8, bidding and budgeting strategy. Understanding your bidding option. You get to know that when you read this module. Module 9, targeting and audience segmentation using interest, behavior, and remarketing. Module 10, optimizing campaign for success. You get to know how you can optimize your campaign for success. And module 11, Google Ad policy and best practices. You get to know the Google Ad policy, what you should do and what you should not do to prevent your ad account from being banned. And module 12, you learn YouTube advertise all the YouTube video, YouTube ad we always see on YouTube, and wondering that how did they create this. You get to know everything in this module. And lastly, module 13, which is if you wan start earning for yourself with these skills as a Google ad specialist or Google ad expert, you get to know the six-figure gig framework, how you can get your first client to pay you at least 100K to 500K monthly as an Google ad expert. Okay, let's move to the advanced section. I'll just show you some. We have Google ad domination, account setup and interface decoded in 15 minutes. How you set up your account like a pro. Free 900 app credit, how you can get Google to fund your campaign without you funding it by yourself. They will give you for free. Conversion tracking secret, how you can track your conversion. You will see every naira your ad earn. Okay, use your naira card to run ad. This is one of most powerful training in this advanced section. You may be nervous that you only need Google dollar to run Google ad, but you can also use your Naira card to run Google ad. How to run Google ad without the dollar card? Yes, you can run your Google ad without the dollar card? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. You will learn how you can run your Google ad without dollar card, without having dollar card with your Naira card. Okay. Competitor spy tools, how you can spy on your competitor. You see your competitor are doing well and how are they doing this? You can just spy on them and you can copy them and edit it to your own taste. The laser targeted blueprint, how you can only reach only buy the real buy, not time waster. You get to know it in this module. How you can use AI to what to optimize your campaign for maximum profit. Okay, we have account fix money leaking campaign in 20 minutes. How to set up your YouTube campaign like a pro. Keyword gold mine, find low competition, high search time, high profit search time. We get to know that in this advanced section. And also how you can bypass and get every ad live instantly. Another one, we have costly mistake exposed. The seven errors that can drain your ad budget and not giving you a good result, just draining your ad budget. You get to know it so that you can avoid them when setting up your ad. And second to the last, we have the agency inside playbook, how you can get hired as a Google ad pro. And lastly, how you can get client from overseas, your foreign clients that can pay you $1,000 and more. Imagine at least earning $1,000 per month. That's over that I just say about 1.3 million just from one person. Assuming you see like 2 to 3 clients, that's rich money. You get to know how you can do that in this module. Okay, let's go back to our training. Okay, now I'm not going to just tell you this works. Okay, I will also show you that people are getting massive results from this exact training. As you can see on my screen, this is one of the students. She turned 183 in ad into over 1 million plus naira. Imagine this is you just putting a little amount of money into your ad and get a massive result, reaching high paying buyer. Imagine how your business will grow. Okay, not only that, you can see this person. She got 96 conversion, 96 person buy from just $20 ad spend, from just $20 ad spend. Very massive. This is one of the students, Mark. He closed his sales immediately after launching a campaign. As you can see, closed a sales from a campaign that started yesterday night. I'm just speechless. I have been missing out all this while. Thank you so much from Gant, the Google Ad Mastery training. Not only that, this is miracle that got 620,000 from Google Ad gig just as a Google Ad expert. Imagine you getting 620,000 for just money ad for businesses or more. See this guy here. He said that he got a role with an agency fully remote today. Your program put me on the path to where I'm at today, six-figure goals. Joseph got his employment letter to work remotely for a company. Imagine working for a company. And this is another student got 100,000, got paid 100,000 from Google Ad Gig, just to only set up ad for a business owner or a digital marketer or for a company. You getting paid 100,000 per month. Assuming you see you have like 2 to 3 clients, that's huge amount of money. Here are the additional bonuses you will be getting from this program at the end of this video. Number one, you will get to know how you can run your Google ad in Naira. With this, you don't have to worry about dollar rate. You will be funding your ad with your Naira debit card just like Facebook, and you'll be seeing every ad spend in Naira, not in dollar. And also you'll be getting 3 months one-on-one mentorship. It's not only that you will be left behind just training, just watching the video, watching the training, and you'll be left behind. No, you will get one-on-one mentorship where you get to ask questions. Any difficulty you are facing, you will get to your problem will be solved. Exclusive guide on how you can get high quality target audience. Here you will be shown how you can know your ideal customer who are ready to buy from you. The secret, the guide, the exclusive guide, how you can get them easily, and learn how you can properly optimize your landing page for sale. This is one of the most important parts in when setting your ad. You can have a good keyword research. You can have a good ad setup, but if your landing page is not well optimized, it will make you wasting your ad budget. It will not good for you. How you can optimize your landing page? Whenever your visitors or prospects visit your website, they will be eager to know what is inside this training. They will be eager to click. They will immediately click on your ad, which will reduce your cost per conversion, and without wasting your ad budget. The secret strategies to avoid ad account ban. This is what costs people money from Google ad. You get to know the secret strategy how you can avoid this account ban. Not only that, get access to support group which I have tell you in the word in the earlier before. You get lifetime access, not 3 months, it's not 4 months, it's not 1 year. Lifetime access. With this, you will never be alone in your business or Google ad journey. And also you will getting access to how you can earn $300 to $900 on as a Google advertiser for free. Google will give you $300, $900, $600, $500 for free. Just being an advertiser, you get to know how you can do it, how you can get this $300 to $900 for free from Google. Not only that, we will also get certificates after the completion of this program. You get certificates. This certificate will such as how would I put it on, such as a proof that you are a Google ad expert and you can use it to get gig for yourself. And also you'll be getting free bonus, the freelancing part, where you will get after you have become an Google ad expert, you will be hired to the advertising agency. Where you can start managing ad accounts for major companies and they will pay you massively. You get to know how you can do such in this in this section too, and it's free bonus for you. The worth of this program is 430,000, all the worth, but don't panic. I'm not going to check you that amount. Even the half, which is 215,000 there, not even 100,000, which is the actual price. 100,000 is the actual price, but I understand the community is hard, which is why I'm doing this just only for 50,000 naira. That is not all you'll be getting. You'll also be getting the free copywriting guide for high converting landing page, and also keyword optimization for your ad. How you get to know the exact keyword that target only which people who are ready and hungry to buy the product you are selling. For the first 5 people to make payments now, will be getting a discount of 50,000 naira, and also only for this 5 set of people will get money back guarantee. What I mean money back guarantee is that in the next 60 days, if you don't get up at least 100 sales, or you notice any significant change in business, After applying everything you have learned in this training, you will be refunded in full. All you just have to do is to show your work that this is the proof. Everything you taught me, everything I learned in this video, in this training, I put it into action and I did not see any result. You get your full money back. Okay, what you need to do is that take this screenshot now. As I'm watching this video, make your 50,000 payment into the account below, and after you have made the payment, send the proof to my WhatsApp so I can give you access. This is my WhatsApp number. Now if you think 50,000 is too much, you and I can agree that you have spent even way more than that on things that eventually did not move your business forward. How much more is this 50,000 will enable you to close 100 sales and help you make extra 10 million from your business? And I am sure that this is what you desire so much. That's why you are watching this video. With this training, you will never have to pay to any so-called ad Google who only want to extract your money and would end up not giving you any results. You will never have to worry about doing the wrong setup for your ad. You will finally stop jumping from one training to another or buy multiple courses that not even help you. In fact, this is your life bus stop, and I firmly believe God have brought you here today. This offer always only valid for 72 hours. After the 72 hours is over like this, the price go back to the original price. 2 hours is over like this, and all the price go back to the original. You also go with it. Take the screenshot now and make your payment and send the screenshot now. And aren't you tired of going days without sales? Aren't you tired of wasting money on this so-called ad Googles that end up not giving you results? Aren't you tired of trying to run your own ad and not getting it right? Aren't you tired of targeting the wrong person, the wrong people? Aren't you tired of posting every day, every single day and consistently and without you don't get any sales? Aren't you tired of putting in so much effort only to get little or no result at all? Only to get little or no result to miss this opportunity. Okay, this is the question and answer section. Do I need a laptop? No, you don't need that. You don't need that. You can just set your ad using your phone. Everything you can do on your laptop is also available on your phone, on your smartphone. I heard setting up an ad is hard. Is that true? It's not true. This is what they say to keep you from competing with them. They know if everyone realize how simple running ad is, they will lose their customer and there will be high competition. Is the training beginner friendly? Yes, it is. Even someone who has never attempted Google ad before can get in and achieve great results. Are Google ad expensive to set up? No, it's not that expensive. Will I get massive results on my ad spend? Yes, absolutely yes. You get your massive result. Will I be needing any other fees after this registering? No. This is one time payment. What if I do not have all the facilities? You just need only your phone and your internet connection. That's all what you need. What is the difference between Google and YouTube ads? There's no difference. They are just the same. Google own YouTube. It's like Facebook and Instagram. Facebook will own Instagram. That is how Google and YouTube, they are the same. I sell very expensive products. Will people still buy from my targeting? Yes, they will. Okay. They will buy from you. What you need to do now is targeting. Okay. What you need to do now is make your 50,000 payment. Send me the proof on WhatsApp and you gain access to this training. See you inside.